From Earth, we only ever see this side of the moon. The other side, the far side, is constantly concealed from us. At our full moon, the far side is dark. In this animation, we circle 180 degrees with the far side of the moon until it is fully illuminated by the sun. While we see an incipient crescent moon, Earth is not yet in the image of our telephoto lens. Because Earth rotates nearly 30 times faster than the moon, we can see it twirling below. The moon's orbit around Earth is about 10 kilometers per second. Our camera rotates 750,000 kilometers behind the moon around the Earth at a speed of 31 kilometers per second. We see the Earth rising because the moon's orbit around the Earth is at an angle of 5 degrees to the Earth's orbit around the Sun. If that angle was 0 degrees, we would have a solar or lunar eclipse every 2 weeks. Seen from this side, the Earth is also dark, and we see the night lighting in Europe and in North America. We see the Earth in its characteristic tilt, about 67 degrees on the orbital plane around the Sun. In our perspective, Europe is almost on top of the globe at night. It is summer in the Northern Hemisphere. The moon is high above the horizon here at night. We don't see him during the day. It seems here as if the Earth orbits the moon. That's because we keep the camera pointed at the moon. The moon also appears to rotate very close to Earth. That distortion is due to the enormous telephoto lens we use. The moon came into existence about 4.5 billion years ago, when the as-yet solidified Earth collided with an already solidified planet, Theia, with the size of Mars. A large amount of material from Earth and Theia splashed into space. A disk of orbiting material was formed, and this matter eventually stuck together to form the moon in orbit around the Earth and cool down. In the beginning, the moon turned its axis much faster than it does now, and its orbit around Earth was much shorter. The Earth also turned faster on its axis, so our days were shorter, and there were more days per year. Every year, the moon's orbit around the Earth becomes a few centimeters longer, and therefore a bit wider. In no more than a few thousand years after the moon's creation, the much larger Earth has forced it into its current synchronous rotation due to its strong gravitational force. Synchronous means that it rotates on its own axis as fast as it does around Earth. That's why we never see the far side. But the moon also slows the Earth's rotation. Due to ebb and high tide, huge masses of water splash across the Earth's surface due to the gravitational force of the Moon and the Sun. In about 50 billion years, the rotation of Earth on its axis will be slowed to such an extent that it has only one face to the Moon too. A day on Earth will then last about 10 times as long as now, and we will only have 35 days a year. The far side of the Moon is now almost fully illuminated by the Sun. By then, it will be new moon on Earth. Finally, we zoom in a bit and point the camera more towards the South Pole to better see where there was a Chinese landing mission in January 2019.